All right, so I'm here, but you're not, but that's right. Tomorrow, you'll be here, but I won't. So we want to start on statistics. So in your summary book, there's exercise 4.1, but maybe on that page beforehand, just a little introduction to statistics. So as far as statistics is concerned, chapters 4 and 5, statistics involves, first of all, the collection of data. So data can be collected in a number of ways. It can be done by observation. So you might observe people walking around. You can see the clothes they wear or what they're eating or something like that. We can do surveys or questionnaires. So we can put out a survey as to what food you like or what sort of top you like for VCE. And we can also do it by measurements. So we actually measure speed, height, weight, age, distance, those sorts of things. Once we've collected our data, what we then have to do is to summarise and display our data. So we can do that either as frequency tables. So we look at how many people drive a certain car or how many people eat or drink a certain type of thing. Or we can do it by graphs, bar graphs, histograms, those sorts of things. Or we can do them as charts, pie charts, and that sort of thing. Then, once we've got this, we want to analyse our data. There's not much point collecting statistics unless we actually analyse it. So what we do in terms of analysation, we look for the measure of the middle, so that's mean, median and mode, for example. We look at the measure of spread, range and interquartile range, and we can draw things like box plots that show us how that data is distributed. And then finally, once we've done all this, there's not much point collecting all of this data unless we're going to use it somehow. So then the last section is to make a comment or make an assessment of the data. So is the data symmetrical or is it skewed? What does it show? And then what does it mean? So these are the things that we'll be looking on for these next two chapters. We don't do so much of this, but you need to be aware of it. We sort of come in at this level here, and then we work our way through all this right through to the end.